Hi, this is Randy Wimmer with Government Contracting Academy, and I'd like to share with you today a proposal tip that will help you demonstrate your understanding on your next bid effort. Why is that important? It's important because your level of understanding is part of your risk assessment in the eyes of the source selection board. If the source selection board believes that you get their requirements, you get their culture, you get the role that they play in the larger mission, and if you get their executives' vision, objectives, and goals for their organization, that your risk is so much less than the other bidders. Now, how do you do that? Well, this is how at the very first section of either my technical proposal or the management section of my technical proposal, I had a 1.0, and that was all about the customer. I wrote it in blue italic so it would stand out. And what I would do is, in very glowing positive ways, in about 2 inches of text, about how important this organization was to the bigger picture, how vital their mission was, and what we were doing in order to ensure that. I also included their logo. So the very first thing that they saw when they started reading our proposal was a picture of their logo, because it's all about them. And I'll talk to you again soon.